Hi there, my name is Raymond. In this video I will talk about one of my secrets on Redbubble and about a great Redbubble product that made me very good sales. And for sure you can do too if you take good care of it. So please focus with me in this video and I will blow your mind with some tips and tricks for getting many sales of this awesome product professionally. However, before I get in this video and this awesome product of Redbubble, I would like you to like this video and subscribe now to my channel for many tips and tricks in making money online in many fields like print-on-demand business and affiliate marketing and others. And this awesome Redbubble product is phone case. Yes, you heard me right. Everyone has a phone, wants to keep it attractive and elegant, so we go to the store to buy a beautiful phone case for decoration and protection as well. And the phone case on Redbubble is a highly demanded product with a decent profit margins. And I would like to show some of my sales of this beautiful product, okay, on Redbubble, like this samples. iPhone 12 Pro soft of Aloha, okay, this is one of my iPhone cases that sold well. Aloha design, okay, iPhone 12 Pro soft. The next is about iPhone 11 Pro tough type, okay, this margin €3 or $4. The next one is about iPhone 12 Pro Max tough type, okay, and the same design of Aloha design, okay. The next one is about iPhone XR soft type of this design, okay, iPhone XR soft. This profit margin is about $3. The next one is about iPhone 11, the soft type, okay, and its margin is $2 or about $3, okay. The next one is about iPhone Pro Max tough type, okay, and its profit margin is about $3. iPhone Pro Max tough. The design is about of my dogs or sub niche of the dog niche, and I have talked about this dog niche or this profitable niche on Redbubble that made me many sales, okay, and I will leave this link of this video below in the description box. And as you see, there are many types of iPhone cases or phone cases on redbubble.com, and there is no doubt that any design would be suitable on this beautiful product, like landscape patterns, clip arts and quotes and so on. And there is a meaningful question comes up: how to get many sales of this beautiful product on Redbubble? First of all, that you can make sure of enable your iPhone case product of any design you upload on Redbubble, like that, okay. You can activate all the products of iPhone cases, okay, and for Galaxy as well, so get sales organically. The second one and the second tip for getting sales of this awesome product on Redbubble, it's promote it on social medias. And the best platform for promoting iPhone case of Redbubble here, Pinterest. And of course, Pinterest, it is the best place for promoting Redbubble iPhone cases. And so I will give you an amazing bonus of that. There is a huge list of long tail keywords of iPhone cases for promoting it on Pinterest. Yes, it is a great list of long tail keywords. You can use these keywords in the title of your pin or description or hashtags, okay. And I have highlighted some examples of these keywords, like iPhone case quotes. It is ranked #1 on the search results on iPhone case on Pinterest, so you can get more traffic for your pins and then you can get sales, like iPhone case unicorn and so on, iPhone case yoga, okay, and so on. So it is a great list of these long tail keywords, and as I said before, you can use them on your title and description and hashtags, okay. And the tip number 3 for getting many sales of Redbubble iPhone cases, okay, is by promoting your iPhone case or your designs of the iPhone case by using professional mockups. And really I recommend you place it for this item. And definitely Placeit is the biggest site that contains thousands of mockups for promoting your designs on different items like t-shirts, mugs, shower curtains, and of course iPhone cases. And to reach the iPhone case mockup on Place It, just come here, mockups, okay, and you can choose print on demand, and choose phone cases, okay. And here you will find a very good collection of iPhone cases for promoting your designs professionally on social medias, and as I said before, Pinterest and on Instagram, okay. And therefore you can promote your awesome designs and your beautiful iPhone cases on Redbubble by using these professional mockups on Place It. And hence you reached the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I would appreciate it if you like this video and subscribe now to my channel for more tips and tricks in making a money online journey in many fields like print on demand and affiliate marketing and others. And if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video, and goodbye.